700 plus engineers created me. 30 microcomputers power me. And with Amazon Alexa, you can talk to me. To experience immersive 3D surround audio. To open the largest sunroof in the category. To command many segment-first features you wouldn't expect. And some you thought didn't exist. I am the XUV700, driven by Adrenox. The SUV that has been most awaited and also the most stalked. Enough of that. It connects to Alexa to open the skyroof. Creates immersive 3D music. Changes drive performance as per your mood. Hello, intelligence. Hello, XUV700.